Hey, John, I saw that there was a vice president of grant management position that the organization is looking to hire for, and sounded to be pretty interesting to me. I come from a background of working with youth development, servicing kids that are part of underserved communities, and in that I've had great success through applying for grants to the Office of Juvenile Justice Department out of Washington D.C., securing funding for right around $250,000 over a 3-year grant period. So when I saw this opportunity, I said, well, you know what? I think this is something I would like to embark upon. Again, with my experience in operations, I would be able to assist in leading our philanthropy team to be able to secure additional funding. However, identifying those grants that would allow us to be able to enhance the quality of the services and the programs that we're offering for our youth within the communities that we serve. So let's look at having a further conversation. Definitely interested, and maybe we can talk more about what this position entails and how I can apply for it. All right, good seeing you, man.